Hey guys, my name is Dan. Today, before starting our lesson, could you please help me with choosing some knives? I have 4 types of knife, and here are chicken, beef, mango, and a cake. Which knife is the most suitable one for each of them? The bread knife can be used to cut the cake. The cleaver is suitable for cutting chicken. The paring knife can be used to peel the mango, and the chef knife can be used in many cases. For example, minced beef. As you can see, the chef knife can be used to peel a mango, but not as good as the paring knife. And the bread knife cannot cut a chicken, and no one uses a cleaver to peel a mango. Although every knife are good and sharp, but we have to choose the most suitable one for each case, right? In the previous lesson, we have known about mathematics teaching methods for primary students like visual teaching, detect and solve problem, question and answer, and practice. We have many methods like we have many knives, but no method is the best or the most suitable for every knowledge. We have to choose, and that is today's lesson. First, I will choose you one module. Fraction. Let's discuss about these topics. First, what is a fraction? Second, equal fractions. The next one is common denominators. Next, adding fractions with same denominators. And finally, adding fractions with different denominators. And now, our class activity. Divide class into 5 groups and discuss to find out which method is suitable for each knowledge. If necessary, you can choose more than one method for one topic, then combine them. Okay, time's up. Return to your seat. Let's see what we have found. The first topic, what is a fraction? That means you have to introduce to students a new definition. It's not easy for a kid to get a new thing without imagination, so we have to use visual method. For example, this is one of the ways you can use to describe about fractions. A fraction looks like this. The bottom number is denominator. It shows how many equal pieces that object is divided into. For example, a pizza is usually cut into 8 slices, so the denominator is 8. The top number is numerator. It shows how many equal pieces that you take from the denominator. If you eat 1 slice, the numerator is 1. Then we have a fraction 1/8. After explaining about the definition, let the students try some more examples for a better comprehension. Remember to choose interesting ones like donut, cake. The second topic is equal fractions. I think it's really hard for a kid to understand why 1/2 is equal to 4/8. I suggest that you can give them a chocolate bar like this. First, ask them to take 1/2. Then ask them to take 4/8. Now they can easily understand why 1/2 and 4/8 are equal. So after visual, teacher can help students understand by question and answer methods. You can ask them the relation of the two numerators and denominators and help them to find out, if we multiply both numerator and denominator of the fraction 1/2 by 4 times, we have the fraction 4/8. Move on to the next one, common denominators. That's an algorithm. So, should we use visual? I'm afraid not. In this case, you can explain how to common denominators. Multiply both numerator and denominator of the first fraction by the denominators of the second fraction. That means then we have the fraction 3/6. Then multiply both numerator and denominators of the second fraction by the first denominators. Now they have the same denominators. Okay, big topic. Adding two fractions with same denominators. Teacher can tell student keep the denominator and add two numerators. That's easy. But you can have students understand why do we do that by visual. For example, show a pizza that is cut into 8 slices. Tell them to take 1/8 and take 2/8. Then ask them how many parts of a pizza that you take. Of course, 3/8. So 1/8 plus 2/8 equal to 3/8. After that, you have to have student to get rid of the visual because it just have the student understand easily. But student don't need the visual to take an addition of two fractions. You tell them the rule right now. Keep the denominator and add two numerators. Finally is adding fractions with different denominators. This is a problem for students after learning to add fractions with same denominators. They have never met this. They can't solve right away, but they have faith in being able to solve this because it looks similar to the previous lesson. They can detect the problem, and with a little help by teacher, questions and answer, they can solve it by themselves. I suggest the questions like, I cannot add these two fractions. You know why? Oh, they do not have the same denominators. But can anybody help me to turn them into same denominators? Yes, we know how to common denominators. You can let the student do this. So now they have the same denominators. Can you add them now? Of course, yes, that's easy now. And from now, if we want to add fractions with different denominators, what have we do? Yes, common the denominators first, then add them. Okay, problem solved. That's all topics. I can summarize in this table. When you teach a new definition, you should use visual methods. When you teach new knowledge, skill or algorithm, you should explain and let students practice. But when knowledge, skill or algorithm have some problem or contradictory, you should use the method detect and solve problem. And to enhance knowledge and skill, let students practice. In some situations, we have to combine two or more methods to get the highest efficiency. Finally, I want to say that teacher is an artist. You have knowledge, you have skill, you have methods, but you have to sharpen them every day and choose the suitable methods for each knowledge and student. Now, goodbye and see you guys in the next video.